Hi everybody.
This is my automatic door opening system.
This is the bottom part of my scooter.
What is going on, boys? What up? What up, boys? What up, boys? Boys? Don't forget to pound the subscribe button. I think we're just gonna send it. Pretty controllable, as you can see. I can do some pretty fluid motions. I can even kind of, and it is quite powerful. I think we're just gonna some waving. Let's send it. Yo, that's crazy. Alright, can you do something cool? Not so fast. Listen to this baby roar.
Okay. Oh.
You can stop.
Fabulous.